Hey there! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of military vehicles and aircraft. This carefully curated selection highlights some of the most powerful machines that have shaped modern warfare and defense strategies. Each of these incredible vehicles and aircraft is essential in boosting operational effectiveness, safeguarding national interests, and tackling complex combat situations. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's dive into the world of armored warfare with the M1 Abrams, which received an impressive 15,775 votes. This battle tank is not just any vehicle, it's a powerhouse on the battlefield. Equipped with a formidable 120mm smoothbore cannon and reinforced with composite armor, the M1 Abrams offers outstanding protection and firepower. Its cutting-edge technology and remarkable mobility have solidified its place as a cornerstone of modern armored warfare. In service since 1980, the Abrams tank has undergone continuous upgrades, ensuring it stays at the forefront of military technology. Created by General Dynamics, it's not just a tank, it's a symbol of strength and innovation. What sets the M1 Abrams apart as the editor's choice? Well, it boasts impressive capabilities in nuclear, biological, and chemical NBC warfare, along with advanced targeting systems that enhance its combat performance. Its iconic status in military history, paired with its ongoing enhancements, makes it an indispensable asset for today's armed forces. With its proven excellence across various operational scenarios, the M1 Abrams truly lives up to its legendary reputation. Let's talk about the Boeing AH-64 Apache, which has garnered an impressive 12,742 votes. This advanced attack helicopter is nothing short of a powerhouse, expertly designed for a variety of roles. Whether it's aerial combat, reconnaissance, or support missions, the Apache does it all. With its cutting-edge avionics and an arsenal of sophisticated weaponry, it's truly a force to be reckoned with in any engagement. Since its debut in 1984, the Apache has proven itself in countless conflicts, showcasing its reliability and effectiveness on the battlefield. And let's not forget, it's made by none other than Boeing. This helicopter's legacy speaks volumes about innovation and resilience in military aviation. Coming in at number 3, we have the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, racking up an impressive 10,292 votes. The F-35 Lightning II isn't just any fighter jet. It's a versatile family of stealth multi-role fighters designed to tackle a wide range of missions, from ground attack to intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. With its state-of-the-art stealth technology and advanced sensors, the F-35 is truly revolutionizing air superiority in modern warfare. What sets the F-35 apart is its collaborative development, tailored to meet the needs of multiple branches of the US military, along with our international partners. It's a game-changer in the skies, and Lockheed Martin is behind this incredible innovation. And coming in at number 4, we have the iconic Lockheed C-130 Hercules, with an impressive 9,390 votes. This remarkable aircraft isn't just any military transport, it's a 4-engine turboprop powerhouse designed for a wide range of missions. Whether it's troop transport, cargo airlift, or even aerial refueling, the C-130 delivers every time. What truly sets the Hercules apart is its versatility and ruggedness, which is why it has become one of the most widely utilized military transport aircraft across the globe. With over 2,500 units produced, it's not just a favorite among the armed forces, it's one of the most manufactured military aircraft in history. Kudos to Lockheed Martin for creating such a legendary flying machine. Coming in at number 5, with an impressive 9,367 votes, we have the legendary B-52 Stratofortress. This iconic aircraft is a long-range, subsonic, jet-powered strategic bomber brought to life by Boeing. Since the 1950s, it has proudly served in the United States Air Force, showcasing its remarkable ability to carry both nuclear and conventional ordnance. What's truly fascinating is that the B-52 is one of the longest-serving aircraft in military history, boasting over 60 years of dedicated service. Just think about that legacy. So hats off to Boeing for creating this formidable flying machine that continues to make its mark in the skies. Coming in at number 6, we have the Stryker, with an impressive 8,508 votes. This remarkable vehicle is an 8x8 wheeled armored powerhouse utilized by the United States Army. What makes the Stryker stand out is its design for rapid deployment and adaptability across a range of combat scenarios. It's not just a one-trick pony either. The Stryker can be outfitted with various weapon systems, allowing it to take on multiple roles, from reconnaissance missions to troop transport and even medical evacuation. And here's a little history for you. It's named in honor of Colonel John Stryker, a Medal of Honor recipient from World War II. This vehicle was developed by General Dynamics, bringing cutting-edge technology to the battlefield. Pretty impressive, right? Coming in at number 7 with 7,993 votes is the Boeing KC-46 Pegasus. This incredible military aerial refueling aircraft is based on the Boeing 767 commercial airliner. What makes the KC-46 truly special is its ability to refuel a wide range of aircraft, significantly boosting the US Air Force's operational capabilities with cutting-edge technology and enhanced efficiency. This innovative aircraft is set to replace the aging fleet of KC-135 Stratotankers, ensuring that our forces have the support they need in the skies. And of course, it's all brought to you by the aerospace giant Boeing. Coming in at number 8, we have the M2 Bradley, with an impressive 6,755 votes. This remarkable infantry fighting vehicle is a key player for the United States Army. Its main purpose, to transport and support infantry right in the heat of battle. With a powerful mix of heavy armament and robust armor, the M2 Bradley can take on both ground forces and even low-flying aircraft. And did you know it's named after the legendary General Omar Bradley? He was a standout commander during World War II, leaving a lasting legacy in US military history. The M2 Bradley was designed by United Defense, showcasing the perfect blend of innovation and strength. Let's talk about the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, a true marvel of modern aviation with a whopping 5,900 votes in our poll. This advanced tactical stealth fighter, crafted for the United States Air Force, is a game-changer in the skies. It brilliantly fuses stealth technology with incredible speed, agility, and situational awareness, making it a powerhouse in air superiority missions. What's more impressive? The F-22 is the very first operational aircraft to seamlessly combine stealth features with supercruise capabilities, allowing it to fly at high speeds without using afterburners. Now that's engineering excellence. So hats off to Lockheed Martin for bringing this extraordinary aircraft to life. At number 10, we have the legendary Humvee, racking up an impressive 5,066 votes. The high-mobility multi-purpose wheeled vehicle, or as most of us call it, the Humvee, has been a staple of the United States military since the 1980s. This four-wheel drive powerhouse is celebrated for its incredible versatility. Whether it's transporting troops, conducting reconnaissance missions, or even serving as an ambulance in the heat of battle, the Humvee has done it all. And let's not forget its impact on popular culture. This iconic vehicle has made appearances in countless films and video games, solidifying its status as a symbol of military might. Manufactured by AM General, the Humvee continues to be a favorite among military enthusiasts and fans alike. At number 11, we have the iconic M1 Cobra, racking up an impressive 4,466 votes. This twin-engine attack helicopter has a storied history, primarily serving the United States Army and Marine Corps. What sets the Cobra apart is its focus on firepower and speed, featuring a sleek design that boosts its agility in combat situations. As one of the pioneers in dedicated attack helicopters, the M1 Cobra has seen action in numerous conflicts, including the Vietnam War. It's a true testament to modern military aviation. And let's not forget, it was skillfully crafted by Bell Helicopter. At number 12, we have the iconic Boeing CH-47 Chinook, which garnered an impressive 4,283 votes. This American marvel is a twin-engine, tandem-rotor, heavy-lift helicopter that plays a crucial role in military transport. What makes the Chinook stand out? Well, it's not just its sleek design. It's renowned for its ability to haul massive loads and transport personnel across a variety of challenging environments, even in tough weather conditions. When it comes to heavy lifting, the Chinook really shines, capable of carrying loads exceeding 10 tons. That's right, it's one of the heaviest lifting helicopters in operation today. And who's behind this incredible machine? none other than the aerospace giant, Boeing. At number 13, we have the incredible V-22 Osprey, which garnered an impressive 3,755 votes. This remarkable aircraft is a tilt-rotor marvel, seamlessly transitioning between helicopter and airplane modes. Its versatility is truly something to behold. Whether it's performing vertical takeoffs and landings, or soaring through the skies at high speeds, the Osprey does it all. What's more, this innovative aircraft holds the distinction of being the first tilt-rotor to enter military service, brilliantly merging the capabilities of both rotary wing and fixed-wing designs. And let's not forget its creators. This engineering triumph was brought to life by the talented folks at Bell Boeing. Isn't that fascinating? Coming in at number 14, we have the T-90, racking up an impressive 3,544 votes. Now, the T-90 is no ordinary tank. This third-generation main battle tank was originally developed in the Soviet Union and has since found its way into the arsenals of several countries around the globe. What sets the T-90 apart? Well, it's renowned for its advanced armor and powerful firepower, making it a truly formidable opponent on the battlefield. Another interesting aspect is its cost-effectiveness. Compared to many modern tanks, the T-90 is relatively inexpensive, which explains why it's become such a popular choice for nations looking to strengthen their military capabilities. And let's not forget about the brains behind this beast, the design team at Ural-Transmash. They've created a tank that balances power and affordability, making the T-90 a significant player in modern warfare. At number 15, we have the M1 which racked up an impressive 3,360 votes. This armored personnel carrier has been a staple for the US military and various armed forces since the 1960s. Why is it so popular? Well, it's celebrated for its versatility and ease of transport, making it a reliable choice in numerous conflicts around the globe. In fact, over 80 variants of the M1 have been developed. These include everything from command vehicles and ambulances to armored recovery vehicles. Talk about adaptability. Manufactured by FMC Corporation, the M1 has truly made its mark in military history. And that wraps up our ranking. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What's in your top 10? Drop your lists in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content.